Welcome students to maths class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 2.6. The questions are basically of that type where we are having one term on both the sides of equal to, and as I told you in my previous class, whenever you are having one single term on both the sides of equal to, you have to do the cross multiplication of them. So now I will take some of the questions from that exercise which will help you out. I am taking question number 3, and this 1, 2 and 3, these three questions are similar. That is why I am taking one among them, and it is z upon z plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9. As you can see, there are single terms on both the sides, so we have to do the cross multiplication. So it will become 9z is equal to 4 multiply z plus 15. So it is equal to 9z. If you open up the bracket, 4 will be multiplied with z, 4z plus 4 multiply 15 will be 60. Now take the term 4z here. It is 9z minus 4z is equal to 60. So 5z is equal to 60. Z is equal to 12. Z will be 60 upon 5, which is 12. So the answer of this question is 12, and you must have learned that the single terms we use to do the cross multiplication. Question number 4, which says 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. This is the next question. And same way we have to do the cross multiplication. Just take the terms here. So it will be 3y plus 4, outside there will be 5, is equal to minus 2, and inside the bracket it is 2 minus 6y. Now just open up the brackets by multiplication. 5 multiply this will be 15y plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to minus 2 and 2 will give minus 4, minus 2 and minus 6 will give us plus 12y. Now just take the same like terms on one side. You take it here and this will go on that side. So it is 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4 minus 20. This will become 3y is equal to minus 24. So y is equal to minus 8. Y will come after dividing minus 24 by 3, and this will be minus 8. Now, because question number 5 is same like question number 4. In question number 6, it is given that ages of Hari and Harry. So let the ages of Hari and Harry, ages of Hari and Harry, it is given you in the ratio 5:7. So what we will let that the ages be 5x and 7x. So we will let the ages to be 5x and 7x after 4 years. So after 4 years, what will happen? After 4 years, in both the ages we have to add 4, because as we know, with the increasing years our ages are also increasing. So it will be 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. So what will happen after 4 years? Their ratio of their ages, that means 5x plus 4 upon 7x plus 4, ratio of their ages will be equal to 3:4. So again it has become the same type of question we have solved. You just have to do the cross multiplication. So it is 5x plus 4 is equal to 3, 7x plus 4. Now just open up bracket. 20x plus 16 is equal to 21x plus 12. Take the like terms on one side. So it will be 20x minus 21x is equal to 12 minus 16. So this will come minus x. So it will become minus 4. So x is equal to 4. The value of x will come out to be 4, and if you put the value 4 here, then the age of Hari will be 5 multiply 4, which means 20, and the age of Harry is 7 multiply 4, which means 28. So in this way we will solve this question. Always remember, whatever given, if something is there which is given in ratio, then you have to let it in this way, 5x, 7x, and then you can do the question. The denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. So let the numerator be x. Then the denominator will be x plus 8. Because in the question it is given that the denominator is greater than the numerator by 8. Now what is given? If the numerator is increased by 7, that means x plus 7, and the denominator is decreased by 1, that means minus 1, then the number obtained is 3 by 2. So this is the equation in front of us. Just solve it. X plus 7, the numerator is increased by 17, not 7, it is 17. X plus 17, denominator x plus 7 is equal to 3 upon 2. Do the cross multiplication. Now x plus 17 will be multiplied with 2 and x plus 7 will be multiplied with 3. Open up the bracket, it will give us 2x plus 34 is equal to 3x plus 21. Now just take the terms, like terms on one side. So it will become 3x minus 2x is equal to 34 minus 21. So x will be equal to 13. So because x is 13, that means numerator is 13 and denominator is 13 plus 8, which will come out to be 21. So the rational number formed is 13. Learned in this exercise is single terms always, they have to be cross multiplied on both the directions, and if the ages are given in ratio, you have to let it like 5x and 7x that we have done in one of the questions. If you have any doubt, you can just comment it and I will try to sort it out. Thank you.